Method for determination of viscosity by using Saybolt Viscometer as per IS 3117-1998. Introduction. Viscosity of liquid bitumen binders like bitumen emulsions and tar are determined by indirect method using orifice-type viscometers. A 60 ml of the binder is allowed to flow through specified orifice size of a cup at a given temperature, and the time taken in seconds is recorded as the viscosity value. As per BIS, the viscosity value of bitumen emulsions are determined by using Saybolt Fural Orifice Viscometer at test temperature of 25 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Celsius. Apparatus. Saybolt Fural Test Apparatus consists of an oil tube with overflow rim at the top. The oil tube is having an outlet orifice of 3.15 mm internal diameter and stopper cork at the bottom. The oil tube is fixed in a thermostatically controlled water bath with stirring device. The lid of the water bath is having heater and cooling coil to bring down the temperature of the bath media. The bath is placed on a tripod stand with leveling arrangements. A wide mouth receiver having mark of 60 ml at neck for collection of the sample. Thermometer ASTM D, range 19 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius with least count of 0.1 degrees Celsius. Thermometer ASTM 19C, range 49 degrees Celsius to 57 degrees Celsius with least count of 0.1 degrees Celsius. A stopwatch to read with an accuracy of 0.1 second. Withdrawal tube or pipette to drain excess liquid from the gallery. Filter funnel to strain the sample. Procedure. The oil tube is cleaned with a suitable solvent. The temperature of the bath is set at required temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Celsius, and stirring is continuously on. The emulsion is strained through 150 micron sieve before introducing into the oil tube. Pour some emulsion into the oil tube so that the entire surface of the tube gets wet and allowed to drain out. Insert the cork to the bottom of the oil tube, taking care that the cork fits tightly enough to prevent the escape of air, as absence of oil on the cork after it is withdrawn. Pour the emulsion in the oil tube up to overflow into the gallery. The tube with emulsion sample is fixed to the support in the bath such that the top of the overflow rim is 5 mm below to the surface of the water in the bath. The sample in the tube is stirred continuously with the thermometer. As soon as required temperature is attained and stabilized to 0.02 degrees Celsius for more than a minute, withdraw the oil tube thermometer and remove the surplus liquid quickly with withdrawal tube so that the level of the material in the gallery is below the level in the oil tube. Receiving flask is placed in a position under the outlet of the oil tube. The cork is removed and allowed the sample to flow through the orifice, which is collected in receiver, and simultaneously stopwatch is started. The timer is stopped when bottom of meniscus of the sample reaches the 60 ml mark, and the time in stopwatch is noted correct to 0.1 second. Results. The Saybolt fuel viscosity of the bitumen emulsion is recorded in seconds. Correct to 0.1 second for viscosity value less than 200 seconds and to the nearest whole second for values above 200 seconds. Precautions. The test shall be started over again if the tip of the withdrawal tube touches the overflow rim. The oil cup and orifice should be thoroughly cleaned. The test temperature should be strictly adhered. The thermometer should be calibrated periodically.